Shalom, shalom. This video is about the Gospel of John, chapter 11, verses 17 to 35. And it's about the Jews' prayer of acknowledgement that Yeshua loved Lazarus. I'll read the text. When Martha heard that Yeshua was coming, she went out to meet him. But Miriam sat at the house. Martha said to Yeshua, "Master, if you had been here, my brother wouldn't have died." And I'll skip a few verses. So when Miriam came to where Yeshua was, she saw him and fell at his feet, saying, "Master, if you had been here, my brother would not have died." As Martha said, so did Miriam. When Yeshua saw her weeping, and the Judeans who came with her weeping, he was deeply troubled in spirit and himself agitated. "Where have you laid him?" he asked. "Come and see, Master," they told him. And Yeshua wept. So the Judeans said, "See how he loved him." But some of them said, "Couldn't this one who opened the eyes of the blind man have also kept this man from dying?" When Yeshua came to resurrect Lazarus, 3 different prayers accused him that if he came earlier, Lazarus would not have died. The first was from Martha, and then it was Miriam's turn to accuse him, and finally some of the local people from Judea prayed, "Couldn't this one who opened the eyes of the born blind man have also not kept this man from dying?" In this, some Jews remembered Yeshua's miracle healing from about 2 months earlier, close to the pool of Siloam, just north of the temple complex. The man who was born blind's account is recorded in John chapter 9, verse 1 to 41. They link these events, but as far as I can decipher, it was not Lazarus, but I can't definitely rule him out either, who was the born blind man. The born blind man's parents are referred to, while Lazarus' sisters are mentioned, so that the blind man and Lazarus are differentiated through their family ties. But Lazarus may be the born blind man still. It's not excluded. It may be that the local Jews were merely linking the miracle of sight for the blind beggar from Siloam to the potential healing of Lazarus' sickness as well. For the man born blind, there was the miracle of sight, but for Lazarus, Yeshua had a greater miracle in mind, his resurrection. Like Martha, Miriam, and these local Jews, we too often expect too little from God. Yes, he heals. Yes, he opens our eyes, and yes, he restores us to life when we are dead and putrid in our sin. He can and he desires to restore our messy lives when we turn to him in faith and desperation. And with that, I bid you shalom, shalom.